Now as you look at my graph here, I have 3 peaks, and as I said earlier, we had a mixture of toluene, benzene, and xylene. So I'm able to hit this button, and I have 2 screens. Both of these are basically the same thing, but so I'm gonna close this one out because I don't need it. And from here, what I'll be able to do is I can click on my peak, I can right-click it, and our instrument is hooked up to the internet. So once I right-click each peak, I can search our library of spectrum, and I can see what the machine thinks it is, and it's pretty accurate, pretty dead on. So on my first peak, I have 2 selections. They're both are basically the same compound, and from there I can use knowledge of what I have or what I think I should have to be able to predict which of the 2 this is. So as I come back out, I'll close this out, and I can do the same thing with my second and third peak. And I'll come down and I'll click, and here I have a dead match for my first suggestion, which is toluene, as I said that we were doing. And my third peak, I'll do the same thing. And I'll come down here, and I have 2 selections, and from there I would have to use knowledge of what I have to see which of these 2 selections it is. So basically, being that I know that this is a very simple run, and it was 3 components, and I have my 3 peaks, my method is basically over. But from here, we set our method so that the oven will stay high, and we'll leave the oven out. We will leave the oven high so we can get the rest of our sample out of the oven for the next person who comes and use our GC mass spec. And that is how you walk up to a GC mass spec, basic operations of it, and when it's all said and done, you'll be able to get your compounds off and have a better understanding of what you have in your mixture. Thank you.